Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Powertrain White ATX PC case. This mid-tower case aims to strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality, targeting gamers and workstation users alike. First impressions are strong, thanks to the clean white finish and the panoramic tempered glass front and side panels. These panels offer a fantastic view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build with pride. The pre-installed RGB fans are a nice touch, adding some immediate visual flair. The case boasts a durable construction, utilizing both metal and tempered glass. The glass panels feel premium and provide a clear view of the internal components. This is definitely a case designed for those who appreciate a clean and visually appealing setup. From a design perspective, the Powertrain case is quite versatile. It's spacious enough to accommodate high-end components, making it suitable for both gaming rigs and powerful workstations. The interior offers ample room for easy installation and cable management. This is crucial for a clean build, as it not only improves airflow, but also enhances the overall look of your system. There's plenty of space for cooling solutions, including support for a 360mm radiator, as well as generous clearance for GPUs and hard drives. This thoughtful design promotes an organized build, making future upgrades and maintenance a breeze. Cooling is a key consideration for any PC case, and the Powertrain doesn't disappoint. It features multiple fan mounts and vents strategically placed to optimize airflow. This ensures that your components remain cool, even during demanding tasks or intense gaming sessions. The case is designed to facilitate efficient heat dissipation, helping to maintain peak performance and prevent thermal throttling. The inclusion of a USB Type-C port on the front panel is a welcome addition, providing convenient connectivity for modern devices. This is a small but significant detail that adds to the overall user experience. In summary, the Powertrain White ATX PC case is a well-designed and versatile option for those looking to build a stylish and high-performance system. Its spacious interior, excellent cooling capabilities, and elegant aesthetics make it a strong contender in the mid-tower case market. If you're planning a new build and value both form and function, this case is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.